How to verify your TikTok account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to verify your TikTok account. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner and just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply select settings and privacy and select account section. So first thing what you need to do is just switch to business account. It's because you can get verified only on business account or professional account. So if you are using personal account, just tap on this switch to business account option and simply switch to business account just like this. So once you do that, now what you need to do is just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner and simply select this option called business suite to try restarting your application if it doesn't appear for the first time. So I just restarted my application and it's just stored over here. That's business suite. Just tap on this. So once you're inside here and just click on analytics, you can view overall details or analysis of your whole account from over here. So this means you have successfully joined the business suite. So now all you have to do is just click on this need help. So now you just have to contact with the TikTok support team. So now just select this account types, and under account types you have to select this blue verification badge account. So now just select this option over here and simply scroll all the way down and just click on no and click on need more help. So once you're inside here, you just have to provide your profile details, profile name, profile username, and your profile page picture or screenshot of your profile picture, as well as your profile page, that is your business account profile page. And you also have to explain that you need to verify your account to the TikTok team, and once they review your request, they will be working on that soon. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.